Hi, I'm David Walder, General Sales Manager for the Balearic Islands at Argo Yachting. And today I want to show you around a 2005 model Fairline Targa 52 GT. GT means hardtop. This boat is brilliant. For me, this is what a sports cruiser in the Med is all about. As you step on board, we've got a dinghy garage at the back. We've got a Williams jet rib in there, available by separate negotiation. And as you step on to the boat, you've just got this big, chunky, solid feel. We've got split sun pads at the back, a small one and a big double. It was reupholstered in 2021. And also there's new FlexiTeek being laid to the side decks and the bathing platform. As well, we've got the wet bar. It's got a new D3H grill, a new Vitra Frigo fridge in here. So there's many things have been done to bring this boat up to date. There's always more, but a lot of the key things have been done. So you can step on, turn the key and get going for the summer. She's been serviced, anti-fouled, and she really is ready to go. Up to the helm position, and this is just marvelous. We've got the sunroof open. We've dropped anchor in Alcudia Bay, and it's the perfect spring day to get us excited about the summer. On these old Targas, we've got the Volvo D12 715 horsepower engines on shafts, EVC controls. The boat is super maneuverable. You've got a bow thruster if you get nervous or into a bit of a pickle to get you out of jail. This owner's also updated the navigation equipment. We've got a modern chart plotter from Ray Marine, autopilot and a tridata. So all of your modern navigation aids or needs are taken care of. And just sitting here, you've got great view out to the side, out the top, all the way around. So it's a super commanding view, and you're connected with all of your guests or friends and family whilst you're maneuvering the yacht. Let me show you downstairs, because the condition of this boat is a really pleasant surprise. I love the interiors of these larger early 2000s sports cruisers. The sensation of space down here is great. Loads of space to work in the galley. Big sofa, C-shaped sofa around the dinette. It's just lovely. This boat's got the high gloss American cherry, which Fairline were famous for back in the day. And there's barely a blemish on here. This varnish has stood up super well to the Med environment. You'll really be pleasantly surprised when you come on board this boat. In the galley, we've got the teak and holly floor. You don't see that much anymore. Also, there's the original ivory leather upholstery under the modern cushion covers. We've peeled it back and had a look. We think it's in great condition. So it's pretty much as honest a boat down here as you can get. One thing to point out is the headlinings have been done. So there's very little sagging, and it feels great. It's a 3-cabin boat. Again, typical of yachts of this era. The owner's master cabin is forward. It's got an ensuite bathroom. There's a day heads and second bathroom just forward of the galley here. And then we've got 2 twin guest cabins aft either side of the companionway. Again, with great headroom, easy to stand up, change, move around, both with wardrobes, loads and loads of storage. This boat's just fabulous. Right, I hope you've enjoyed the video. We've had great fun shooting it this morning up here in Alcudia. For more information, please visit our website. All the details are below. Price, specification, and details of what's been upgraded and when, service history, everything. Please look at our website, or best still, give us a call or drop us an email to find out more. I'm pretty sure you'll be impressed. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.